Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving deep into a profound concept that can transform the way we perceive and experience our daily lives. This is based on the wisdom from day 92 of our Stoic journey, titled The Color of Your Thoughts. Let's set the stage with a powerful quote from Marcus Aurelius. Whatever you often imagine yourself to be, so will your thoughts be, because the soul is imbued with these imaginings. This is from his timeless work, Meditations 5:16. In simple terms, it suggests that our habitual thoughts shape our mental landscape and ultimately our life experience. Now, think about this in a practical sense. If you spend most of your day sitting at a desk, your posture reflects it. Your spine curves differently compared to someone engaged in physical labor. Similarly, if you wear tight, narrow shoes regularly, your feet mold to fit those shoes. This analogy can easily be extended to our minds. When we consistently focus on negative thoughts, our mind adopts that negativity as its default state. Everything starts to look bleak, and life feels more challenging. This brings us to the core idea. The mind is like a garden. If you plant seeds of positivity, gratitude, resilience, and hope, those are the thoughts that will flourish. Conversely, if you sow seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, your mind becomes a breeding ground for such thoughts. The environment you cultivate in your mind determines the quality of your life, just as the condition of your spine reflects your physical habits. To unpack this further, let's use a few everyday examples. Imagine you wake up in the morning and immediately start thinking about all the things that could go wrong today. Before you've even stepped out of bed, you've already tainted your day with negativity. Now, contrast this with waking up and taking a moment to acknowledge what you're grateful for. Maybe the chance to work on meaningful projects, or the simple joy of a hot cup of coffee. This sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. In the chapter, it's also suggested that if you isolate yourself, you become stagnant. This doesn't just mean physical isolation. Mentally isolating yourself from fresh perspectives, constructive feedback, and positive interactions stunts your mental and emotional growth. It's like allowing weeds to take over your garden while nurturing positive thoughts equates to regular weeding and planting of good seeds. Now you might ask, Alexius, how can I consistently cultivate positive thoughts amidst life's inevitable challenges? Great question. Here are a few Stoic practices to help you out. 1. Daily reflection. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect. What went well? What could have gone better? This practice helps you focus on personal growth and learn from experiences without being harshly self-critical. 2. Focused morning routine. Start your day with intention. Use affirmations or read a passage from a Stoic text. This helps set a positive, focused tone for the day. 3. Gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple habit can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. 4. Mindful breathing. Whenever you feel negativity creeping in, take a few deep breaths. Ground yourself in the present moment and redirect your thoughts to something constructive. Remember, friends, the mind is incredibly adaptive. Just as your body can adapt to sitting or standing over time, your mind can adapt to the quality of thoughts you nurture. By actively choosing to focus on positive, constructive thoughts, you change the color of your mind and consequently the quality of your life. So, what will you choose today? How will you color your thoughts? Reflect on this and let me know in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going and support each other in this journey of Stoic living. Thank you for watching, and until next time, may the wisdom of the Stoics guide you to a life of inner peace and resilience. Stay strong, and remember, you have the power to shape your thoughts and, by extension, your life.